So hi, I got another unboxing for you. I started the video, but I took a break because I don't know if you guys know it, but the famous Notre Dame de Paris is in flames. This is a live video. So we are March 15th. So I hope they can put the fire really quick out so they can save it. Yeah, that's really heartbreaking. I really don't have words for this. It really breaks my heart. But so let's get back to the video. I got 3 packages. So let's start with the smallest one. They haven't said how it happened. So let's hope they can put it out really quick. It's really heartbreaking. It breaks my heart. So this, I don't know if you can see it, but no, you can't. Okay, let's wait. Make a little. Can you see it now? Yes, you can. Okay. Not that much, but let's focus. Okay. So it's a tiger. So the drills. This is the painting. That's beautiful. It's a 30 by 40, and this is the picture. If he wants to focus. No? Oh, here you go. It has 20 colors. Oh no. I'm sorry, but can you see that? Have you guys been to there? I have. I went there like 2 years ago, and I cannot imagine that is really happening. I can really not imagine that is real. Okay, but you guys are not here for the Notre Dame, I think. So in PJ, so 20 colors, a lot of pinks, reds, another pink, then purple, blues, blue, yellow, then brown, and a black one. I just hope they can save something of it, because as from now it doesn't look that but they will, honestly. Okay, that's for this one. Okay, that's another tiger. This one is a 25 by 30. Yeah, lots of purples again, blue, black I see. Yeah, that's about it. It's the first time I get like color fonts. Yeah. Ugh. I really don't know what to say. There are so many people looking at it, but the fireman can't reach it because of the traffic there is in Paris. So they should let them go through. There's this one. I think it will be a beautiful one. It's really, really small. So this one has 24 colors. You can see. Also beautiful. So I'm not going to go over the drills because there are a lot of purple, blue, pinks, and that's about it. So those are all 25 by 55. I got an elephant, a horse. The other ones are marked as animal. I'll try to... No, the pictures are too small. No. So this one has 18 colors. I don't know if you can see it a bit. Yeah, you can see it. If he wants to focus those. And she has a baby. So these are really small, but the canvas is really clear. As you can, if he wants to focus. Yeah, here you go. So these are round. So let's take a quick look at the drills. Pinks, black, brown, a green one. Oh no. This is bad. It's burning at three sides. My heart is breaking. I think did the tower collapse? Oh, I'm sorry. How is this even possible? Okay. Other brown. Then brown, lots of brown. So what is that? Oh. Yeah, lots of brown, black, dark color, mostly. Why I really can't speak. Oh. The first one. Why is he not playing anymore? Yeah, I think the tower collapsed, because normally there was a tower there. I think. So this one is the horse. That's right. So these ones are all with the baby, as you can see. Yeah. So I'm not going to show this one because it's basically brown and green. Maybe a little bit of white. So I'm not going to show you these. So, but this is the painting. So what is one? Oh, this one is the elephant with her baby. Where's the baby? Here is the baby. So this one has basically brown, brown and black, not many other colors. So I'm going to show you the drills, because otherwise this video is going to be too long. So this one is the lion, right? Yes, the lion with her baby. And the lion is there, the baby. So this one has also, my cat wants to say hello. So this one has basically also brown, black, and that's about it, I think. I'm sorry for that. So I think I showed you everything. No, I didn't show you everything. So I have these, but I already opened this one. It's like I don't know if you can see it, but this one has 23 colors. So I think it's a lot of blue, brown, green. But you can see a very colorful painting. Can't see it, but okay. No,